Hey everybody, it's Beth with BL Paperworks. Today I am going to dye this macrame wall hanging with some DIY paint. I've selected Cowgirl Coral. I have a tray that I'm going to put some water in, add some paint. Now you can water DIY paint down up to 10 parts water to 1 part paint and still get really great pigmented rich color. Alright, so I have some water in the tray. I'm going to pour in a little bit of Cowgirl Coral, maybe a tablespoon. Let's turn that up. Just had an idea. I'm going to add a little bit of Kissing Booth to get a little deeper tone. I don't do that much. So probably 2 parts Cowgirl Coral and 1 part Kissing Booth. So I'm going to use the pattern of the macrame, that angle. I'm going to do 1 section at a time, and I'm only going to go up part way. So there's the first section. And you can get your hands in there. DIY paint's all natural. It'll wash right off. I'm going to squeeze the fiber so that it gets soaked in there. Okay, so now I have the first dip done, and I am going to add a little more of the Kissing Booth, and then I'll only go up a little bit, not the whole way, and that'll kind of give it an ombre effect. I'm also going to add a little bit of cherry picked to get an even richer color. Okay, so I'm ready to do the second dip, and I'll start on the edge, and again I'm just going to go part way in. So I have a few spots where the paint is really not blended in very good, so I'm just going to take those strands and put it in the water and kind of rub it a little bit to get the paint to blend out. Okay, so there's my ombre. Still got to do a little bit more blending there. I'm going to let that dry, see how it looks when it's dry, and then if I need to re-dip anything, I will. So I'm really pleased with how my ombre dip dyed macrame wall hanging turned out using my DIY paint. If you liked it, check me out on BL Paperworks, my YouTube channel. I'm also on Facebook, BL Paperworks. And thanks for watching, and I enjoyed sharing this project.